bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my love, so I thought today I would do a video with you guys showing you how to create these really fun Halloween tags. Now, my idea behind these tags are to use stickers that we already have. I know, like any crafter out there, we always have dupes of different stickers that we like to hold on to. I'm super guilty of that, and so I thought that it would be a great idea to create some fun Halloween tags using only stickers or any little things that you have that are Halloween related, right? Because at the same time, we're getting rid of all these stickers that we have dupes of, and also it's a great idea for someone who doesn't have a lot of Halloween paper. If you don't have a lot of Halloween paper, or if you have a lot of stickers that you don't know what to do with, this is a really good idea to kind of just put them to use. So let me show you what we are going to be working with here. Now, the gift tag that I am creating is basically just this simple gift tag that I get at Michael's. I get them on Tuesday mornings. I get them at AC Moore. It's just a simple gift tags that you can create. What I do is I use this as a template to create my other gift tags here, and it kind of helps me save money, so I don't have to keep buying gift tags, and you can create your own with papers that you want to actually use. So here I'm going to use this beautiful glittery orange paper that I got from the Target spot not too long ago. I am in love with this pad of paper. Oh my god, it's absolutely gorgeous. The glitter on this pad of paper is amazing. So I'm just basically using this as a template. As you can see here, I cut out my tag. Let me get my punch, my paper punch, if I can reach it. Okay, got it. I'm going to make my little hole. And basically, that's how you create a tag. It's so simple to create one. Just use it as a template. It's not that difficult, actually. See? So we're going to use this one today as a sample. Maybe we'll do two. Let's do two, okay? As a sample to create these beautiful tags right here. Okay. So I have my ribbon or my twine that I already cut out. I'm going to put that through my tag just to get that out of the way. And where's my other one? Oh, actually, this is the one we're gonna work with. I already had it there. Okay, perfect. So again, we're using only stickers because we're trying to get rid of all these stickers that we have at home. I have tons of these stickers that I bought at Michael's last year. I love them. They're like Halloween houses. They're beautiful. They're gorgeous. We're going to use one of these stickers, and I'm going to add it to this beautiful, bright, gorgeous, glittery tag. Okay? So I'm going to add this little house right in the corner over here of my tag. Okay, just like that. For this one, we're going to use, I have these like foam shape stickers that I bought at AC Moore last year. These were like 10 cents because it looks like the foam kind of has like discoloration, which I think it's actually perfect for this particular project. But as you can see here, the kind of like the foam sticker has some sort of discoloration, and I think that's why they marked it down to 10 cents a pack. I bought a whole bunch because I figured, listen, for 10 cents, discoloration does not stop me from buying something. Actually, it adds more of a nice look to this project if you ask me. So we're going to use this kind of like tomb shape foam sticker on this tag, and you also have like a little tiny bird over here that looks like it's kind of standing on the tomb. So that's awesome, right? It works perfect for this kind of project. So let's add some hot glue to the back of the foam sticker, and also a little bit of the bird so it can stay in place. And we're going to add this right in the corner right here of the tag, just like that, creating a nice little scenery. See that? Cute, right? Perfect. So for both of these tags, we're going to add a cute little cat on the side of each tag like we have here. These cats, I have tons of these cats. I also bought them at Michael's last year. They're super glittery, super awesome, super cute. So we're going to add the smallest cat that we can find in this little sticker set, and we're going to add the cats right in the side of each tag. So for this little cat, we're going to add, actually, let's add this cat right here. Okay, see that? And then for this one, I'm going to add a little bigger cat because I can actually fit a bigger cat on this side. So I'm going to add this cat right here, just like that. You see that? So there you have it. Your cute cat right there and your cute cat right there. Okay? Beautiful. What's next? Next is going to be, we're going to add some bats. I have this bat that I got. These are from the ring, plastic ring, little embellishments. Let me see if I can find it for you. Oh, here it is. These little rings that you get at the Dollar Tree. It comes with like a whole bunch of different kinds of little rings inside the little pack. You get like spiders, and you get like skeletons, and you get bats. Well, that's where I got this bat from. So I really, really love it. And what I do is I just basically cut off the ring part to my bat, and then I basically just hot glue my bat to my my tag. That's really all I do. So with this tag right here, I'm going to add 2 bats. So the bats look like they're kind of flying right over the house, right? That kind of looks really, really fun. So I'm going to add 1 bat on this side right here, and I'm going to add the other bat down here. Oops. There we go. And now you have 2 little bats on this tag. For this one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add a bat here, and we're going to add a bat here, okay? So let's get another bat. This is a really, really great way to get rid of all your little Halloween goodies that you have, because God knows I have so many stuff that I can definitely try to get rid of, so I can make more room for new stuff for next year. I'm not gonna lie, I'm being honest. Okay, so here we have the 2 little bats on this tag. Now this little tomb thingy right here looks a little bit plain to me, so I'm going to kind of give it a little bit of more life. So with this sticker here that I have from Michael's, this is the one that has those little cute little witch hats. I'm almost done using this little sticker. What I want to do is I'm going to use these little tiny spiders, and I'm going to put one right in the center of the little tomb, so it can kind of look fun, right? Because it looks so plain. So I'm going to add this spider right in the center of this tomb. See? It looks a little bit better. Not so plain. Cute. And then what I'm also going to do is I am going to add the word boo to my tag to complete the finished look. I have these little boo kind of confetti that I've been having for like years. I'm not even kidding you, years. And I always use them in all my Halloween projects. I bought this confetti little tiny pack at Hobby Lobby, I want to say about 2 years ago. And it has been the best thing I have ever bought in my life. I love it because the little boo sign is small enough that it fits everywhere, as you can see here. And it just gives like a really nice finished look to your project. So I really, really love those confettis. But they don't sell them anymore. I went to Hobby Lobby this year to see if I find some, and I did not see any. So I don't know. What are you gonna do? Okay, so I added some foam to my little sign just to give it a little bit of a lift, right? I'm going to add some hot glue on the back of my little sign where the foam is, and I'm basically going to call it a day. I'm going to add the boo sign right over this corner right here. And that's it. We're done with this tag. This came out super cute. I really, really love this one because of the glittery paper, I think. But this has to be my favorite tag ever. Okay, so let's find, I guess, oh, here it is. A little piece of this foam to put in the back of the boo sign. I think I have to cut it a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to add this to the back of the sign, and then we are done with this project. I really love doing this because, again, it really doesn't, I don't feel bad having all these like supplies sitting around my craft room doing really nothing. I kind of feel better that I'm able to use a lot of these supplies, and you know, and it looks nice. It really does come well put together. I really do love how these tags turned out. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see here, we are done. We are super, super duper done with this tag. I mean, literally, it took us like, what? Nothing. It didn't take us that much time to create this tag. You see how beautiful it turned out. You saw how many things we used to create this tag, which was not really a lot of stuff. But the greatest thing about using all these stickers that we use in this tag is that it doesn't sit, you know, around doing nothing. You're making it go to a good use. And this is awesome to mail out to your friends, mail out to your pen pals, add to like a goodie bag, or add to a favor, Halloween favor. This is just awesome. I love it. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these fun tags. Let me know what you guys think about them. And if you make them, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see them. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. I will see you soon. Please be safe out there. And I'll see you on my next video, honey bunnies. Bye.